Welcome to our exploration of how AI is reshaping job applications in 2025. Let's dive into this exciting world. Automated resume services leverage cutting edge AI to streamline how you present yourself to potential employers. AI algorithms can dissect job descriptions to create personalized resumes that speak directly to employers' needs. Not only resumes but cover letters can be tailored swiftly, giving you an edge in the hiring process. The demand for automated resume and cover letter services is on the rise, as more job seekers embrace these innovations. Our primary audience includes job seekers and professionals eager to advance their careers with the help of AI. There are numerous monetization strategies for these AI services, ranging from subscription models to one-time fees. Let's take a look at some successful AI-driven resume services that have transformed the job application landscape. As we look to the future, emerging trends in AI will continue to redefine career assistance and development. Embracing AI technology in your job hunt can provide you with a competitive edge. Get ready to leverage these tools in 2025.